Alright, so here's a bunch of condensers in Ohio. This is an Amana condenser. It comes to compressor. It is from, where's the data sheet? I believe that's from 1999, I think. This is what the compressor said. Here's the real cool unit. General Electric. I've never seen one of these before. It's the old GE climate temp compressor. It is from 19. I'll have to decode that. It's a really old unit right here. There's the compressor data tag down there. Rare unit. Got a newer Ameristar special 2018. 2.5. Got another General Electric. Another unit right here. I'll have to decode that. I forget the GE date coding system. I know it has to do with the last 3 digits in the serial number. Here's a Goodman unit. This one is from 2012. Here's the Amana Prestige. Never found one of these before. Open recip. It is from 2002. It's a 2-ton Prestige series. And there's another Amana Prestige over here. This one is also from 2002. It's a 2-ton. Here's a refrigerator. Don't know the year, don't know the brand. It's awesome. There's a bunch more units over here. There's a Mitsubishi. These are very rare units. That one is from 2003. Yeah, 2003. It's a 2-ton. Here's a International Comfort Products. 2005 4-ton. And here's an Ameristar. You'll have to read the data for yourself because I can't see that. There's a RunTru. First one of these I filmed. It's a LG scroll compressor. There's the data sheet. Okay, 2019. 2.5 ton, I think. Trane XE series. 2000. 2.5 ton. Here's a Goodman and a vintage Carrier TECH2000. Carrier TECH2000. We used to have a compressor blanket. It is from 1989. 2-ton. It's a faded top. Goodman. 2007. 2-ton. I think it's a 2-ton. And there's a couple more vintage GEs. Yeah, this is a GE. Got the original climate compressor. Data sheet's missing. Don't know why that's another vintage General Electric over here. Really interesting. And I think, yeah, data sheet's down there. Good shot of that. Really interesting units at this